To demonstrate how to auto-load a coring matrix from the JANUS database. You see I've opened a new experiment, and I've opened the basic menus, COD data, COD image, and COD functions. We need one more menu for creating coring matrices. And if you go to the includes files, you'll find includes coring matrix. Double click it. There it is. It automatically compiled, so now we have a COD coring matrix menu. We can close this guy. We want to hide it, not kill it. And we don't really need this anymore. Okay. I've already gone to the JANUS database website, and here it is. And I want core section summary. Let's do site 964 and hole A. And we will submit the request. Now we're going to copy, starting with the header line, all the way down to the bottom of the data. Don't worry about those last comments. We're not saving them anyway. I'm going to copy. Now I go to the Create Coring Matrix menu, and I am going to select Empty JANUS Data Table. Now I'm going to paste the data into the table. Once the data have been pasted, you go back up to Create Coring Matrix and say JANUS Create Coring Matrix. We get to tell it what number we want to represent core catchers. We usually use 9. It will check to see if there are sections greater than 8 in the original data, and if so, it will give you an error or give you a warning, and you can change the core catcher to 12 or something like that. Anyway, so let's continue. There we go. Check the addition. In some of the older data, there are addition errors, but they're fairly rare. So there are no addition errors, and now we've created the coring matrix. Here it is. See, the top level are the depths to the tops of each section. This is core 1, section 1, core 1, section 2, 3, 4, 5, and out here 9, the depth to top of the core catcher. In the second layer, you'll see the lengths of each of the sections and the core catchers. And the third layer, if we had offsets for the cores to make a MCD or CCSF depth table, then those tops would be in the third layer. But we don't have offsets at the moment. We're just making the coring matrices. We can close this guy up. Let's do one more just to reiterate. Back here, we're going to go B, and we're going to submit the request, and we're going to start copying down to here. Control C, whoops, we don't want that writing. Control C. Up here, Control V, and here. JANUS Create Coring Matrix 9. There we go. And here is B. So that's it. Just wash, rinse, and repeat till you've got all the coring matrices put together.